All right, here she is in practice. I set up a cinder block wall here, and it's not even really warm here. This pipe, I put a thermometer on it, and this whole pipe is like generating 600-degree heat. It does cool off substantially where it goes up there, and I do have it wrapped with fireproof gasket lining. And then I got my cement backer board. Even right here, it's toasty, but not overly hot to the touch. And then, yeah, check her out. Got me a nice blazing fire. Man, you want to talk about kicking out BTUs? I got the flute closed a little bit, and I am absolutely loving this. I mean, that's just super hot right there. My hand's like, I don't know, 5 inches from the barrel. And then I can adjust my flue however I like. Slow it down, keep some of the heat in here. But man, this is a game changer, guys. Alright, got my handy dandy fire poker here. Let's take a look. See what's going on inside the inferno. Oh, look at that. Man. Stoke the old fire. Woo! That's hotter than the devil's butthole right there, boys. Woo! Seal her up. Man, that's a hot fire. Alright, we got some hot coals going. We got ourselves a couple pissed off logs in there. This thing will burn a 2.5 foot, almost 3 foot log all day long. No problem. You can leave the hatch open and everything. No smokage. It's pretty cool.